Ladies, y'all ready for some green goodness? I got you. Come on back.
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder, I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving, I'm a survivor.
What's good, faves? It's your fave, Miss Renee. You guys, I am back with another video. Girls, thank you for coming back to see me on my channel. Ladies, oh my God, y'all, I've been having such a great time here. Whew, having such a good time. And y'all, this weekend is going to be bomb, okay? I'm just saying, I got a lot of plans for y'all. So listen, if you are new to the channel, girl, welcome. Honey, so much love here for you, sweetheart. Thank you. And go ahead and press that subscribe button. I'm just saying, you are going to want to stick around, okay? Hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications. Just wait and see. We got a lot of things popping off. Ooh, I almost fell. That's not funny. Did you laugh? Don't be laughing at me. Anyway, we got a lot of things planned for this weekend. I have a lot of things planned for you this weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. We are going to be making some phenomenal food. Whoo! Girls, we're going to make some good food. Y'all going to really enjoy it. Y'all know I share my food with y'all, so don't be playing, honey. Okay. Now listen, I didn't say to my old heads, ladies, thank you for rocking with Fave. Hey, thank you for rocking with Fave. Okay, anyway, I know. It's too early. It's too early. I'm sorry, y'all. It might just be 7 o'clock. I don't know where this energy is coming from. Probably because I'm talking to y'all. I'm just saying. Anyway, I do have a lot of updates for you guys, some things I'm going to be sharing with you. Since a lot of you are my faves in real life, you probably already know it. But anyway, I'm going to share that information with you guys later today. I showed you guys, girlfriend, I made my bed up this morning before 6 a.m. Grandmommy don't play no games. I'm just saying, okay? So the bed is made, clothes are out, coffee is made, and now I am about to whip up, throw together this quick breakfast smoothie. I'm making one for me, and I'm making one for artists. And then I'm out the door. I am headed to Crosby Middle School this morning, and then I'm going to dash over to Eastern High School. So it is about to be a busy day. Then after that, I've got to go pick up a few things, grab some items from the grocery store. So I think we're going to do a quick run through to Lane Bryant because I'm planning on doing a haul this weekend from Lane Bryant. I've already picked up a few items, but I think I've got something else that I really want to go grab. So I'm thinking about getting that. So we're going to have a little bit of a busy day, but it's all good. Well, one other thing I want to tell y'all. So I do have this magazine that I love that I lost. So for this morning's recipe, I am not following a recipe, okay? I have had to reorder that magazine through Amazon because I love that magazine. It talks about so many good nutritional benefits of not just smoothies, okay, for lifestyle. So I was devastated. I am not lying. I was upset when I left my magazine in the grocery store last weekend. Y'all, I took it with me because it had so many recipes, and I was collecting different fruits and veggies for different recipes. And then at some point, I must have set it down. I don't know, but it was gone. The magazine is 2 or 3 years old, y'all. So it's not like I could just go get another one. It's not a new magazine. So what I ended up doing was I got on Amazon, Girl, Amazon will save your life. Gosh. So I got on Amazon, y'all, and they still had the same edition. Amazon. Amazon saved the day, y'all. So I got a new magazine on the way. Ow. Okay, and it'll be here soon. So I'm so excited. Can't wait to show you guys the magazine again. I've already showed it to you previously in another video. But like I said, I lost it. I was devastated. Got to come in again. And we can zip up this smoothie. And I can't talk. I got to go. Because y'all know I'm long-winded. And then I'll be rushing for work. Who does that, right? Okay. Y'all ready to jam? Let's jam. Okay, ladies, now don't forget that I'm not using a recipe. I'm still waiting on the magazine to arrive, but I do have some green apples, some pineapple, some really good fruits that I think will make a yummy smoothie. Kiwi there, spinach, and there it is again. And then, of course, I use some of that orange juice, and I pack that spinach down really, really good in the blender. And then I love a shortcut, so this little apple slicer really does it for me. It keeps pretty much all of the seeds in the core of the apple, so that's easy to get rid of. And then I just went on ahead and opened up that banana and put it in, and now we are ready to blend. Okay, ladies, so I stopped blending here for a second because I wanted to add in my pineapples. I used all but 2 of the pineapples that came in that can, and I used the pineapples that were in their own juice. I did have a fresh pineapple, but because of me losing my magazine, I was really discouraged about doing the video, but then I went on ahead and did it, and so I let the fresh pineapples go bad. So anyway, long story short, I went on ahead and put like maybe a half a cup of vanilla yogurt into the blender, and I used all but 2 of the pineapples that was in the can. And yeah, now we're ready to go ahead and hit the blend button again. Oh my God, it looks so good. Yummy. Get my thermos. Y'all, this looks so good. Oh my God. Ooh, that's so good. Oh my God. Bryce's gonna love these. Oh my God, y'all, that's just good. Oh, this is good. Oh, this pineapple. That green apple. Ooh. And banana. And it's packed with all that spinach. If you don't make this for yourself, I don't know what's wrong. This is quick, delicious, and healthy. Oh yeah, it's a great Friday, y'all. Delicious and great. All right, I'm off here for real. Bye.
I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder, I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving, I'm a survivor.